Hello, welcome back to my class. We are still on soil biology. If this is your first time on this channel, or you've been listening to our classes and you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so now. And also hit the notification button so you can get notified anytime we drop a new video or a new class. So in the last class we talked about different soil characteristics and their constituents. We mentioned the soil particles, soil water, soil air, organic matter, inorganic matter, and soil organisms. So today we're going to pick experiments to determine soil particles. Okay, so when you pick a garden soil, you will notice that it's composed of soil particles varying from the tiny particles of clay to large particles of gravel. The title of the experiment is to find relative amounts of different soil particles in a given soil sample. So number one step is you pack a handful of garden soil, you stir it with water in a measuring cylinder. Second one is that you cover the lid of the measuring cylinder with a glass plate. Now if you don't have a glass plate, you can use a cellophane. You tie it properly. The essence of tying it is that when you start shaking it, the contents will not spill. So after you have covered it, if you're using a glass plate, you cover. If you're using a cellophane, you can tie it. Then you shake it thoroughly. Allow it to settle, let's say for 12 to 24 hours. Then observation, you notice that the gravel and the sandy soil will settle first. So gravel first, sandy soil on top, then silt will now follow, then the clay particles. In between the clay particle and those that are not able to settle, you will see water. Then there are some tiny particles of clay that are too small to settle. We call those ones the colloidal particle. So they are known as tiny particles of clay which are too small to settle down. They are known as colloidal particle. How you will know colloidal particle is it forms cloudy appearance on the surface of the water. So that cloudy stuff that you see on the surface of the water is called the colloidal particle. Okay, so I've already mentioned that gravel is the first to settle, sand will follow, silt, fine sand, clay, then the colloidal particle. There is something you need to note about clay.